How to mention all friends in Facebook comments. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Facebook app and let's go and choose a random post so we can tag and mention all of our friends. Say for example this post right here. Let's click on comment, and here what you need to do is you need to write at, which is the tagging or mentioning icon, and then type friends. Now once you do that, you will see that a lot of suggestions has appeared, so you don't want to select any one of these, because if you do, you will be tagging that specific person or page that you have chosen, which is not what we want. So all what you need to do is just to go back and leave it like this, and as you can see here, it just add friends. So when you post it, you will be tagging all of your friends. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can tag all your friends in Facebook comments. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.